Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share the 3 add-on kits that we have that coordinate with our Flavors of the Month kit. So we have a cardstock add-on, a pattern paper add-on, and the embellishment add-on. You can add 1, 2, or all 3. We also have the Shots of Life kit, which coordinates with our Flavors of the Month, so you can add on more paper and embellishments there. There'll be a reveal video for the Shots of Life at the end, so be sure to check that out. So let's dig in and take a closer look at each one of these add-ons. The first add-on we're going to look at is the cardstock add-on. So with the cardstock, you get 3 cardstocks for each one of the collections. And I leave the pattern paper here so you can see how well they coordinate. And it also gives you ideas of how different collections might go together. So you're going to receive 1 sheet of one color and 2 sheets of another. So that's perfect if you like to do double page layouts on cardstock. But lots of options. So for the Cartabella Sunflower Summer, you're going to get 2 sheets of amber and 1 sheet of pumpkin patch. For the Doodlebug Hometown USA, you're going to get 2 sheets of Red Devil and 1 sheet of Sapphire, so this great red and blue for the 4th. For the Simple Story Simple Vintage Linen Market, you're going to get 2 sheets of Aquatic and 1 sheet of Geranium. For the Simple Stories Crafty Things collections, you're going to get 2 sheets of Ruby Slippers and 1 sheet of Pollen. Now we're going to take a look at the patterned paper add-on. And with your patterned paper add-on, you receive 2 sheets of additional patterned paper. So none of these are repeats. So we're going to start with Cartabella, the Sunflower Summer Collection. And you're going to get this beautiful sunflower paper. The back is a green design. And you could kind of think of this as petals or flowers, but it's just a really pretty tone on tone. That paper is called Sunflower Patch. Then we have this paper that's all of these seed packets. So this would be a lot of fun to cut off in strips or fussy cut a few. Lots of options for that paper. And the back is this gorgeous tone-on-tone flower print. I'm just in love with that paper. That is called Sunflower Seed Packets. And then from Doodlebug Hometown USA, we have this really cute paper called Hometown USA. And it's just the streets and the little kids and the trucks, and it's just really a fun paper. The back is a large dot in the red, blue, and gray. Then we have this paper called All Stars, which I love these. It's kind of their journal element paper, and I love because they give you long ones as well as like a 3x4 size. So lots of fun there to add to your pages. You could also do some of them as fussy cut embellishments. The back is a star print on blue. And for the Simple Vintage Linen Market, we have this gorgeous paper here that's kind of like a newspaper print with the butterfly and the roses and then some mixed media. This paper is called Enjoy Every Minute. And the back is this fun fabric print with the little florals, and then it has the zigzag stitching in the light pink. This paper here is From the Heart, and it's this gingham blue, and you'll see some distressing and some text here with the large floral on the side. So you could use this as a background paper. You could use it like that. You could also use it as a top or even at the bottom design. The back is this gorgeous floral print. And then from Simple Stories Crafty Things, we have this fun paper here, so adorable. And it's the little embroidery hoops with different fabrics and quotes. So again, this would be great as fussy cut embellishments. The back is this awesome text in the different colors on black. So bless this creative mess. I really like that. I need to go shopping. I can totally make that. So lots of fun crafty sayings. This one is Paint by Number, and it has the stripes in all the different colors, but they've put prints over it. So that's a fun little take on stripes. And then this is awesome. So like the title of the page is Paint by Number, so this is a paint by number. I am in love with this, and I don't know about you, but who wants to go in and color it or paint it, use some mixed media or even patterned paper and create that design? So I don't know if you can tell it, but it looks like a little coffee cup with the heart design in it. So that is so fun. But my mind automatically wants to fill it all in. So there's a look at the patterned paper. Our last add-on is the embellishment add-on, and this is one of my favorites. So starting with Cartabella, you're going to get a half a pack of the ephemera pieces. So this will all vary among the kits, but you'll get some awesome word phrases and icons, things like that. From the Doodlebug Design Hometown USA, you're going to get one of the sticker sheets. So these will vary, but this is the one I got. Lots of little kids and the outdoor trees and clouds. Super cute. And then from Simple Vintage Linen Market, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. I always love these. So we have a scalloped of the red gingham, and then we have a ruler here. Lots of little word labels. And then layered pieces. So we have the viewfinder and the watering can on the doily. I just love those because they just do all the work for you. And this here with all of the tickets. And then for the Simple Stories Crafty Things, you're also going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have a large scalloped heart print, lots and lots of word labels, and then all of those crafty icons. I love the little mug here, the scissors. There's the paintbrush that we saw on the paper earlier with all the florals, glue guns, washi tape, our little cuddle bugs, our die cutting machines. So that is Simple Stories Crafty Things. So one more look at your 3 add-ons. Be sure to check out the flavors of the month if you haven't already. I'll have a link here to that reveal video. Also check out the Shots of Life and all of the other kits that we have available. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.